Hi friends, good evening. Today we saw big zigzag movement in Nifty as well as in Bank Nifty. I thought the consolidation will happen yesterday itself, and then today also the consolidation was continuing. And today it was a horrible day for the traders because it is going up and down. Nifty was trading roughly around 400 points in the intraday session, going up and down by 125 points for every 1 hour. But one thing is, our number is got respected, which is 17,351. And today's high is 17,351. And it closed below our important number, which is 17,225, which is our monthly game changer number. Yesterday, it held that 17,225 and it closed a little above. But today, on the closing, it came down below 17,225 and closed below that also. But today it was a huge consolidation, going up and down like crazy. And then today, FIs, they've eaten the premium of all the retailers, and very horrible day today. So actually, this meeting is not for. This session is not for talking about Nifty and Bank Nifty, because we discussed Nifty and Bank Nifty for many times. So I just want to discuss few stocks which was really interesting to me. First, we'll see the graph of Nifty and Bank Nifty for 5 minutes, and then we'll go to the stocks. Okay, so this is a video which I put in the morning, that the first 1 hour candle is doji. So buy above first hour candle high or sell below first hour candle low. And full day till the last 1 hour, it was trading only within this level. It is going and touching the top and coming and touching the bottom. And that is what it has done for the whole day. But in the last 1 hour candle, that is 215 to 315 candle, it came, broke below the important mark, which is 36,800 level, and closed below. And it is closed below 13th December low, which is our very important number in Bank Nifty, which is 36,864. So till it is below 36,864, it is bearish. Once above this number, which is 37,037, it is bullish. I'm talking only about the spot, so you can refer all the futures numbers in my PPT. I've clearly given where to go long, where to go short, everything. I'm talking only about spot here. Okay. So the best to buy in Bank Nifty is above 37,037. Until it is below 36,864, it is bearish. Okay. Bank Nifty is done. And coming to Nifty, this is the line, which is this green color line is 17,351. And today the exact high was 17,351, and from there it closed below our monthly number, which is 17,225, and it closed below the Ichimoku cloud on 1 hour. But this I cannot take it, because this is today's FII's game, so they will make everybody panic, and everything is everybody is waiting eagerly for that tonight meet outcome. Let's see how it going to plan out. But till it is below 17,351, it is bearish. Once it breaks 17,351, the first target is our first resistance number, which is 17,576. Once above 17,576, the last resistance point is 17,777. So till now, from November 15th onwards, whenever it goes near to that number, it is coming down back to 17,211. So that's why I said, it is sell on rise market rather than buy on dips market. Okay. So these numbers, please, keep in mind, and then it is useful for trading in the coming sessions. Okay. So these two things, we already covered very long time. So I just want to go for stocks. Okay. So now I'm closing this. Okay. So the first tomorrow is big TCD, because this is the blue color TCD for LIC Housing Finance, and this is my short term number, and this is my long term number. If it holds 367, the target is 445. Okay, so this is my short-term number. So keep, remember this number, 367. Okay. So now I'll go to our TCD Excel sheet. Okay. So IOC, ONGC, Bharati, all the three had blue color TCD, which is very, very crucial, and GAIL. Okay. So we are going to discuss all this. So GAIL, I've clearly mentioned in the PPT, simply buy above today's high with the stop loss of today's low. Okay. Today's high and low I already marked here. And last week my system gone for a toss, so that is why it is not getting updated. So this is actually the column which shows the closing price of today, but it is not updating. So it takes a little more time. So today's high, today's low is very crucial. And simply buy above today's high with the stop loss of today's low, or you can go short below 115.5, which is today's low, with the stop loss of 118.4 if you want to go short. Okay. So these four counters, and tomorrow HDFC is having its TCD, and LIC Housing is having its blue color TCD, which is very, very crucial. Okay. So now I'll go to the graph and show you how this works. Okay, so this is LIC Housing Finance. Okay, so this is my long-term number, which is 367. Okay, this number I derived from the last 5 years data. So, but whenever it comes and touches this number, it will bounce. Okay, this is what happened last time. It came here, exactly bounced from here, and came down all the way here, took the exact support at 367 and bounced. Okay, so now again I'm saying 367 is the very, very crucial number. In case if you get the opportunity tomorrow or day after, whenever. Okay, so you can simply buy with 1% stop loss maximum, or 4 rupees stop loss. Okay, so in case if you want Vedic number, 1 second, 367. Yeah, you can keep 364 as stop loss. Okay, so that is more than enough for this guy. So watch out for this guy, 367. And apart from this, if I take weekly and my red color design, okay, this is my red color design, it is at 367. So that's why whenever it comes and touches my red color line, it bounces. Again, 3 days back, it came and touched 367, it bounced. I was waiting for the TCD because that gives a lot of cushion for me to buy the stock. So tomorrow is the big TCD for this guy. So in case the first 15 minutes high and low, you can watch. And tomorrow, I don't know what's going to happen in the market. So it is better to trade LIC Housing Finance on Friday if it breaks tomorrow's high. And mark this number, which is 367, which is very, very crucial for this guy. Okay. And coming to just a minute. Other counters which had TCD today, all are having very important key points here. Okay, so now coming to IOC. So simply buy above 118.40 and the stop loss should be 115.50. Okay, so this is IOC. And coming to ONGC, ONGC was really interesting to me because see, 23rd November, it had the yearly TCD. That's why, it is yellow color. Okay, so I marked the yellow color on, 23rd November. If you go to the last month PPT, you will be seeing this date. So the high of this TCD is 147.7 and the low is 143.4. Okay, so this day high and low is very, very crucial, which is 23rd November. But if you see here, it was a BIPSA, came down, took our stop loss, again went up. So now today high and low, which is again the blue color TCD, which is very important. It is exactly matching the 23rd November high and low. If I remove this, you will know. So this is the high, the same high which marked on 23rd November. It marked on his important day here today. And the low is 143.95, but you can keep the stop loss of 143.4, which happened on 23rd November 2021. So above today's high ONGC is simply buy with the stop loss of 143.40. Okay, this is because it's a combination of TCD with the same number, which is very, very powerful. That is what happened in HCL Tech also. Until now, HCL Tech is not able to break above 1177. So it is trading only below 1155. Once it crosses 1177 and closes above that, you can simply put a stop loss of 1155 and ride the show. Okay, so this is ONGC. And coming to Bharati, and morning itself I've sent the video about Bharati. So today's high and low is not more than 1.5% width, because the today high was 695 and the low was 684. Okay, so sorry, I made by mistake. Okay, again, this is blue color TCD, which is very, very powerful. And my system design on the daily, it is at 667. Okay, on the lower part. Okay, in case if it comes down, simply buy at 667 with a stop loss of 665, which is a magical number. Okay, even today, I gave call to people on HDFC Life Insurance because it was trading at 666. I said, keep just 1 rupee stop loss and buy, because 665 is a very, very crucial number. And you can apply this number in any stock across indices. In any stock, you can apply this number 665, which holds the key. Okay, like 729, which is the crucial number, right? So now, in case if it comes down, Bharati Airtel comes down to 667, simply buy with the stop loss of 665 with 2 rupees on a closing basis. It should close below 665, then you need to exit the counter. Okay, so now based on today's high and low, you can simply go long above 695. In case if it comes down to 667 level, within this level, which is 680 is my blue color buy number, and my system number is 667. Okay, so today's low is 684. Okay, so it has not touched my design number. So in case if it comes to 680 also, you can definitely take a chance with the stop loss of 665. Okay, and coming to GAIL, the same combination which happened in ONGC is happened in GAIL also. And GAIL had a yearly TCD today. Okay, so which is 15th December 21. And the high is 135.35 and the low is 131.7, which is today's high and low. But I am taking 8th December because 8th December it had a first combination date high and low. So 8th high is 136 and the low is 131.55. And if you see, it is in the channel. If you see, this is in the channel. So once it breaks 136, possibility of big move in GAIL, and the simple stop loss is 131.5. Okay, so watch out for these three counters and watch out for LIC Housing and HDFC for tomorrow. And LIC Housing is having blue color TCD. And coming to our morning video, which is Crompton Greaves. So this was the video. And I clearly mentioned in my video, 411 is again a magical number like 665 and 729. And today low was 412, right? It came down to 412, but it went up like this is the only counter which did very well today in the entire market, apart from few green color ticks. Okay, so this guy closed around 431. So from 411, it moved by roughly around 20 rupees. But the buy came, for me here. So that's why I give it a buy when it was at 421 and it closed at 432. So watch out for this guy. Till this guy holds 411, I have already mentioned all my targets of LIC Housing Finance in my PPT. So kindly read the PPT. Okay, so I just want to close this video. Let's see what Fed is going to come out today. But one thing is, whatever Fed says, leave all that craziness. Simply follow the number. If it crosses above 17,351, simply buy. That's all. Let the Fed talks anything. Okay. Chalo, thanks a lot. Good night. Bye.